Alright, so what we got here is a Remington Rand standard typewriter. This was made in I'm pretty sure this was made in the 1930s. And you can see this, it's got the usual, similar, see the key spacings, just like you usually know, the computer. And use this as a reel to do the paper, and then you just type, and you see we'll do this, and then you type in, and then ding when you come to the end of the line, so you could hit this to kind of go through it, or you could, this is how you generally go back, but you could do this like fast forward when space would just be between words. This right here would be kind of like pretty much like the shift key as you do to make capital letters and symbols instead of numbers. You get the idea. And this right here, this looks like a backspace key, but what it actually does is it backs up the paper. Alright, so this is a typewriter ribbon right here, and here's all the keys. You see when I push the G key, this one goes up, and as you can see, there's they all have letters on them, and like when you push the and whichever part of the key hits the ribbon, which has the ink on it, will push through. And when you push this, when you push the sort of shift, as we'll call it, key, it would push these down, and then it would be the capital letter or symbol instead of numbers part of this. So it would have the capital letter and the lowercase letter on it, both capital letter above. And this would be you see it would run and then this to go back faster, or just this. This would just be to roll the paper. This would be, and this was also another way to just sort of instead turn it to push the paper through, and you could choose the speed with this. This was a standard way of doing like certain work, and this is the kind of alignment. This would be and so there you have it, a Remington Rand typewriter, manufactured in the 30s.